Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on Scion Dashcam channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show. Reckless driver ran a red light, and unfortunately he got caught up in a crash. Sooner or later, this type of outcome was expected.
So if troops are really proud of their low numbers, what an idiot.
I don't know what happened there.
No, he just said, oh shit, I got a turn here. And he wasn't in a turning lane.
One driver was not bothered that he was entering the corner. Instead of taking a turn, he simply kept on moving straight and hit the road barrier. Hectic road rage between a cyclist and a BMW driver. Check out how it all unfolded.
Tire.
This cyclist was not pleased with the way this driver was driving, and at the next traffic lights, they both pulled over and the cyclist confronted him about it. Make sure to pay close attention what he had to say, because I believe that we all can learn from this.
Is there a reason you can't slow down behind me? Huh? You can't slow down behind me? You know, there's no guy pushing you. You're driving, right? You're driving, right? You have control of your vehicle? Okay, that is not how you pull over and stop. You need space, I need space too, right? I'm a grandfather, I have 4 grandkids. You want to be responsible for me having to go out and get hit by some other asshole? So respect me. Respect, I work for a living. I'm an electrician, I barely have a day off to come out and ride. I gotta put up with you that can't wait 2 seconds to pull over. Leave me some space, man. Don't do it to me. Just say you're sorry, man. Tell me you won't do it again to somebody. Please, brother. I'm telling you as just a person. Don't drive like that. It takes 2 seconds to save a life, man. You have a big truck, right? You have a lot more weight to slow down traffic than I do. What am I? I'm exposed to everything. You got all this protection. Protect me like you protect your grandkids in here. Please. Good day, my friend.
That was special. Winner. Yeah, that's what you're watching, right? Freakasaurus.
Driver in a pickup truck was responsible for a crash as he rear-ended one vehicle and forced the driver to hit another car as well. Instead of pulling over and solving the issue like a true man, he fled the scene.
Sure, Mr. Cobalt driver, dude, just come right on over.
That's like just help yourself, right?
What are you? Where are you going? Are you crossing? No. Look at this bonehead. Wow.
A road cyclist got out onto the road at his own pace and he didn't even care about the oncoming traffic. Luckily, a crash was avoided because the camera was careful. Driver who was reversing forgot to check his rear view mirrors, and in that moment, a pedestrian was right behind him. Never allow yourself to be distracted while reversing.
Download the iHeartRadio app now from your favorite app store. Then search Hot 101.5.
Is she okay? Here, pull over there. Oh my gosh.
Surface Street crash, 16th Street, north of Glendale Avenue. There's a pedestrian-involved crash in Tempe. That's a baseline just east of Pre.
Today's theme is this. It's the issues that you... Yeah. So it was on in Ohio.
This video is another proof of why impatience and recklessness never pays off. Check out how the camera filmed some crazy drivers breaking the speed limit and putting himself and themselves in danger. This driver recklessly ran a red light and got right in front of the camera, nearly causing an accident. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Scion Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.